Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am CryptoKip, and Chris Marsliak, the CEO of Crypto.com, tweeted out today a tweet that I got to share with you guys because I think it's very important for everybody to understand exactly what's going on in this crypto market because Bitcoin's pumping, CRO is pumping today, which is spectacular. We're going to take a peek at the CRO price action on the charts, both the US dollar chart and versus Bitcoin, and see what kind of story is being told. And you'll also have to look at the total market cap because that will tell you what comes next for CRO, the Cronos coin, and your bags. Guys, let's get into it. If you like this kind of content, tap that like button for me, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and let's talk crypto because Bitcoin briefly was over $35,000 today for a snap. Everybody's wondering if it's going to break through. The fear and greed index is in the green. People are getting greedy and prices are going up. Don't want to take my word for it? Well, look at your favorite altcoin. If you're clicking on this video and you're looking for some Cronos news, your coin's up 13.25% over the last 7 days, which is pretty great. Now, you have to acknowledge, guys, Bitcoin is up 23%, so Bitcoin's still outperforming CRO, which you will see here in a second when we look at the charts. But Chris Marsliak tweeted this out, and I needed to share with you guys because it's very important for everybody to understand. Just yesterday, I was doing a live stream talking about how there is money flowing out of altcoins into Bitcoin, and that is part of the reason Bitcoin's surging. And while I strongly believe that that is true, there is also new money coming in. There are people that have been sitting on the sidelines that have been waiting to get into this crypto market. They saw crypto go up and FOMO kicked in, which is why the fear and greed index is in the green. People are getting greedy. New money's coming in. Money that's been waiting on the sidelines is coming in. Chris Marsliak tweeted this out. 152% increase in crypto purchases with fiat funds yesterday. I guess nobody wants to be stuck on the sidelines holding worthless paper, talking about the move from fiat currencies, worthless paper, and in a flight to quality, moving over to buying Bitcoin, to buying coins like CRO, Binance coin, Ethereum, getting into the crypto market before it's too late. Now, that's the exact story that we're seeing here on the CRO charts because right now, CRO, let's look at some of the key levels. One thing I want to point out is we are breaking above all the moving averages on the daily time frame right now, which is spectacular. I was talking about this in my stream earlier today. If this candle for CRO can close above this red line, this red moving average right here, I think it's the 200-day moving average, then we can continue to see a move up to 6.6 cents for CRO. And if we can break above 6.6 cents for CRO, maybe we have a shot at 100% gains and moving up to 12 cents, which is right before FTX collapsed. But there's a couple things to be aware of. One, this is something that we need to see close this candle. Two, we're in a good spot though, because we have struggled to get above this blue range. Look at the amount of times we bounced off this. We're above it. We used this resistance, which we broke through as support, potentially. We need to see continuation up, and then we'll be targeting this. At the same time, Bitcoin's going up, so what's happening for CRO? It's going down versus Bitcoin, but that's a great story, guys, because I believe the worst case scenario moving forward is now only 12 or 13% downside action for CRO versus Bitcoin until CRO can have its reversal and start moving up versus Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin continues to go up, which inevitably in a bull market it will, if CRO's outpacing Bitcoin, think about the amount of gains that we can get. That's CRO blasting past $1, maybe even past $2, all the way up to $5. We don't know how it's going to play out yet, but we can certainly speculate, folks. We can certainly speculate. In the meantime, Bitcoin is hitting a critical resistance, and so we can't get too optimistic. If Bitcoin fails to break above $35,000, it's going to use this as resistance and probably find new support, either at $32,500 or at $30,500, which was a key level that we seemingly blasted through the other day after testing it, using it as support. We might test this support again. That would make a lot of sense to me. Now, if that happens, you can certainly expect to see CRO you can see CRO in the US dollar value maybe come down and test this yellow line again, or come down even to 5.5 cents, low end of 5 cents again. It's certainly possible. Every single day, this 3 cent level is getting more and more unlikely. The 4.5 cent level is also unlikely. But if Bitcoin has a big capitulation event and comes back down to even like 25K, I would not be surprised to see CRO make that exact move. And then that would be the final move for Crocoin versus Bitcoin, which again is exactly what you want to see. Another factor you got to look at right now is the overall market cap for crypto. Back in the day, if we were looking at that $20,000 Bitcoin price, I was saying the overall market cap could keep tumbling down, bounce off right below $1 trillion again. We did bounce off $1 trillion actually, which is a very strong support, which makes sense. And now we're moving up to this 1.24 trillion. If we can continue to break out, then I would expect CRO and Bitcoin to continue moving up. But if Bitcoin starts to collapse, this will likely come down as well. Most of this move came from the Bitcoin gains, but obviously new money, just like Chris Marszalek, the CEO of crypto.com, said, is coming into the market. So there is hope that this move continues. And if there is a capitulation event, maybe it comes over here and we see it go higher. Maybe Bitcoin goes to 40K. You see Crocoin go to 12 cents, and then we bounce back off some of these levels, and then bullish continuation into a full-fledged bull market. There's a lot of options there, but look at the message from Chris Marszalek from crypto.com, guys. It's a great story, and it's something that a lot of people are wondering. Is this new money? Where is this money coming from? Guys, it is fiat currency. It is people holding on to dollars, getting out of the dollar, and getting into crypto. That's exactly what you want. That's exactly why the fear and greed index is moving up right now. When a bull market comes, it stays in the green. We can only hope that we keep going up, but we got to keep our eyes open for some of these other key levels that I wanted to discuss in this video, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm CryptoKip. This is a Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more great crypto content. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. 2 videos for you here. If you want to check them out, I'll see you next time. Peace.